For various administrative reasons, including selling or trading in a vehicle, you will need an official copy of your vehicle's title certificate. In addition, if you are a New York City TLC driver, you often need a vehicle's title when switching your plates to a new vehicle. If you've lost or misplaced your original title, there is an easy way to order an official duplicate online for a small fee. First, go to the New York State's DMV site related to ordering your vehicle's title online. On the homepage, it lists situations where you cannot order a title online, which include the title being processed within the last 15 days, if a lien is being removed, if the title certificate is being amended, if the owner is deceased, or if a third party with power of attorney is requesting the title. For most other situations, you should be able to order your vehicle's title online in New York State. Assuming none of the exclusions are applicable to your request, click the blue Replace Online button. Now we must complete an easy 3-step process. Enter in the relevant information. For abbreviations for the make of the vehicle, you can refer to your vehicle's registration. If you're interested in Saturday Express delivery options, check the relevant box as well. Once complete, click Continue. In Step 2 of 3, it confirms the details of your vehicle and provides you with 2 shipping options. If you're not in a rush, the first-class option will mail your title to you in 5 to 7 business days and cost $20, while the express option that expedites shipping to 2 business days usually costs close to $40 depending on the address on file. After you've made your shipping selection, click the certification box if the information you provided is truthful and correct. Note in the paragraph, it states that this title replaces all previous titles and is the title that must be used in the sale, transfer, or trade of your vehicle. Once complete, click Continue. In Step 3 of 3, it confirms your shipping selection and asks you to confirm your phone number. Remember, the title will ship to the address on file at the DMV, which is usually the same as your vehicle's registration. You cannot request the title to go to another address. Once you've entered in your phone number, click Continue, which will then lead you to the payment portal. After you fill in the relevant payment details, you'll get a confirmation page. You'll also receive an email to the email address you provided, confirming the transaction. We hope you found this video helpful, and let us know any questions or comments below.